is our new generation product. It's a POS terminal system. They carry the legacy from POS, XT, RT, and then the latest. The difference for this product is the design different. This is the product we designed for easy service. So the purpose is to make the service more easier as possible. You can turn off the back cover and touch the latch in the inner of the POS terminal. Press it, and then it's a shell type design. And open it. When you open it, you will see the PC box here. Without a screwdriver, you can easily remove the PC box. And also you can remove the panel without disassembling this terminal. Easy, shift, and take it out and change a new one. This will help our customer do the service very quick. Customers, they don't need to return the POS terminal to our service provider. They can do it. This is the design concept. Following the ZT product, we also carry the second display, which is 10-inch, and also various accessories. They include the finger touch sensor, MSR reader, and different functions. And the second display, this time, we have the built-in scanner inside. The design for ZT is not only the easy service, but also we provide some of the IP ready protection, and they can able to fold as a 90 degree. So it's very easy for different usage and different applications.